has to do with a particular weather phenomenon, which is an inversion. I don't know if you get inversions where you are, but we do every once in a while. We didn't used to get them here. I fly out of Buell and didn't used to get them in the Magic Valley as much as the Treasure Valley. But lately, this winter, we've had a bunch of inversions. And those are bummers because they sock the cloud layer down, and if sometimes it's below minimums, sometimes it's just above minimums, and there's no way to get to where you want unless you're just trying to fly flat in the valley. If you're trying to get out of the valley, a lot of times you just can't. And but you can find holes in the inversion. So this day I was looking for a hole because I really wanted to get out of the clouds, out of the inversion. And so it took off. It was close to minimums. It still had, I think it was 1,300 feet ceiling. And I noticed I could kind of see a bright, shiny thing, which I hadn't seen in a very long time. A stream of it way north. I was going south, but I didn't care. If I could get above the inversion, it's a very small inversion. I get up above the inversion, and then I can go where I needed to. So took off, headed towards this ray of light, and stayed about 1,000 feet. And stayed legal, whatever. And I came in, and sure enough, that bright thing was a hole in the inversion. Shot out through it, didn't have to go through any clouds, any inversion, and instantly popped up above this sea of clouds. I hate those things now. I used to love them when I skied. I would just drive up to Bogus and ski and be above in the sun. As a pilot, I hate the inversions. But anyways, got out and was able to fly to my destination. I was going to be there for a few days, so luckily when I came back, the inversion was gone and I could land. But yeah, you can find a hole in an inversion.